And here's a motor mount. You can do it a couple of ways. This is my fast way. Just made it out of aluminum channel. I'm sure you'd figure out how to do that. And then you got to make a idler gear. It's I believe it's a 32 pitch Traxxas. This is another way to do it. This would be easy. This is what I did to first do it before I started running fast, so I could do all bearings throughout the whole thing. Is I just put a hole in there, put the motor in there. I don't have a motor to show you, but it goes through there. Then you cut out right here, and you can do the pinion gear from right in there. But when you do that, you got to take this apart. Take this apart, and you'll have plastic. There will be plastic bushings in there. You want to take the plastic bushings out and put bearings. They're I believe they're 10 millimeter by 4 millimeter from Traxxas. And then they fit in there like that. And then okay. Now we'll get into the drive shaft, which would be this right here, over here. So then that 10 by 4 millimeter bearing is right here. And then that's fuel tubing to get it centered in there. And then you get another piece of fuel tubing, and then the other cog, and then another piece of fuel tubing, and another bearing, and a collar. I got this collar pulled away. It should be up closer, tight to it. But this gear right here comes out of the sled that you have. That gear is already inside of here. Pretty much something like that. And then this will be on it. Okay. And if you're going to do this, but I would wait till last to do all the bearings and stuff. I just put a screw there, and then on the bottom I put a little aluminum plate to hold it because it's plastic. Just remember, this is toy grade, not hobby grade. And down the road, when I make another video, I'll give you measurements of these, which are Traxxas parts. These are Traxxas shocks from a T-Max. I believe these are from a T-Max too. And these right here, that'll be another video. They look like this right here if you make them. I made them. I could probably make more, but it'll be cheaper and easier for you to make them. I'll have to put the measurement up on this. I forgot the measurement on that. It's easy. Just take that, drill a hole, make it a little tight, and then force it together. And that pretty much held it. And then you drill a hole through here. And it comes out, and it goes through the middle of that to hold the thing too. And that's how it will do the skis. Like right here. Here's a bit of the ski. I got a piece of heat shrinking tube because it's a little loose. Really don't need that. It's just that this is a little smaller than this. Then you just drill a hole through, tap it, and put the steering linkage on. It will look like that right here. And I think that will be it. I'll be making my next video will be on mounting this into there like that. And you're probably just saying, why don't you do it now? Because it's not that easy. You got to do some sanding down here. You got to do some sanding in there so these bearings fit. And then this is when you take it apart, you have this like that. You take this apart, this comes out. You got to do all this work. Then you got to take a little bit of sanding there, a little bit of sanding there. And that's just some 3M double-sided tape with just one side peeled off for a little tightening. All right, and I just got word that I'm talking too much, so I'll let you guys go until my next video. So the next video will be installing this in the motor mount. So this, the belt, and the motor mount. Until next time, see ya.